Today, I've got an insane hack to put some cash in your pocket. You won't believe how simple it is. Picture this, $20 every time you just say YES. Easy, right? Buckle up, because I'm about to spill the beans on this incredible money-making method. This right here is your golden ticket to earning big bucks from the comfort of your own home, all by answering a few questions. Seriously, it's that straightforward. But hold on, here's a mind-blowing fact. Only a small fraction of my awesome viewers like you are subscribed. Let's change that. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It's free, and you can always back out if you want. By doing this, you'll be in the loop for all the latest and greatest money-making strategies. Be among the first to seize these opportunities and make a boatload of cash. Can you believe it's possible to rake in 5, 10, or even 20 bucks just by clicking a few buttons? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not in this case. I've got a website up my sleeve that turns those small amounts into a massive payday. And the best part? It adds up faster than you can imagine, potentially hitting $200 to $300 in just one day. Cha-ching! Worried about cashing out? Fear not. This website offers various payment options for you to cash in your hard-earned dough instantly. Oh, and did I mention? It's 100% free to join, no investment required. We're spreading the wealth worldwide, baby. Now, I'm stoked to drop this golden opportunity right into your laps. But hey, I need to know where you're repping from. Drop your country's name in the comments below so I can tailor my content just for you. Let's make sure you're getting the money-making scoop specific to your location. Hold tight, because I've got bonus tips that'll practically double or triple your earnings compared to others. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Today, we're diving into Enrollup.com, a legit platform that's making waves in the industry. It's all about making the web a better place and making some cash from the comfort of your home. The best part? No experience or technical skills required? Let's break it down step by step so you can start raking in that dough today. Head over to Enrollup's homepage. Right there, you'll see the mission. Let's make the web a better place. Exciting stuff, right? To kick things off, hit that green sign and button on the right. Easy peasy. Enter your email and password, and you're in. But hey, first-timers, keep an eye on your email. You'll need to click that verification link to activate your account. Once you're logged in and on your Enrollup dashboard, feast your eyes on the mission progress data. It's all about tracking your journey. Every completed mission moves that cute cow icon along, racking up those rewards. Yup, extra cash prizes and bonus money. My friends, perfect for beginners and newbies. And did I mention? No investments needed. When you land on that Enrollup dashboard, scroll down and you'll spot the poll section. These are the questions you've got to answer. It's like a fun quiz show, but with cash at the end. After answering, you'll see how you stacked up against the rest. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk strategy. Answering those polls is key. The more polls you conquer, the more points you rack up. Picture it like a race from start to finish, and that cute cow icon is your marker. The faster you reach that finish line, the more bonus money pours into your pocket. It's like hitting the jackpot. Plus, the more you answer, the better this website can tailor projects to your interests and demographic. Win-win. It's all about maximizing those earnings, and answering more polls is your ticket to the cash train. Here's the kicker: you can rinse and repeat those questions to your heart's content. Click those buttons between YES and NO, hit continue, and watch the magic happen. No limits, my friends. Stack that paper high. And guess what? All of this is right at your fingertips with just your smartphone. That's right, no fancy setup needed. This money-making magic works worldwide. Whether you're in India, the US, Philippines, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Indonesia, South Africa, or anywhere else, you're in on this golden opportunity. Quick favor, if you're enjoying this video, I've poured my heart and soul into. Show some love by smashing that like button and hit subscribe with notifications turned on. And here's a deal. If we hit 2,000 likes on this video, I'm dropping a brand new one next week, revealing how you can make even MORE money online from the comfort of your home. Let's hit that goal. Head over to your dashboard and hit up Achievements at the top. That's your progress hub. Check out your badges, points, and the missions you've got lined up. First up, Earth Mission. Easy, right? Just follow the instructions, take tests, and dive into those poll questions. Stay active by logging in every single day. A quick login for 5 minutes nets you bonus points and money. Commit for 30 days straight, answer 1 poll a day, and you conquer that first mission. As you progress, watch that cow icon move closer to the finish line. More badges mean more points and more cash in your pocket. Now, here's a pro tip that's gonna make you triple that money. Get your pens ready. Log into your account, hit the drop-down arrow next to your profile icon, and hit Test Preferences. This is where the magic happens. Ensure all your profile settings are up to date. Remember, your responses are private. Now, here's the golden nugget. Select all 3 devices: mobile, tablet, and desktop. Why? Because the more devices you have, the more tests and polls you can conquer, and that means stacking up that sweet, sweet cash. It's like a money-making carousel, folks. All right, my money-making squad, let's dive into some top-tier strategies to skyrocket those earnings. When it comes to testing availability, go for gold by selecting Send Me Tests as soon as possible. This action turbocharges your opportunities, flooding your account with more tasks and inbox notifications. More tasks mean more cash, simple math. But we're not done yet. Double down by enabling notifications. Tick the box to get that email notification when you qualify for a test. Don't forget to validate your phone number too, because we want those SMS notifications lighting up your phone whenever there's a test that's right up your alley. Stick to the script, and remember these golden settings. This is the recipe for your money-making success on this website. Now, get back to what you do best, answering those poll questions. Rinse and repeat, folks. You've seen how easy it is to make bank by simply choosing between yes or no. This is a global opportunity, my friends. Anyone, anywhere, can jump on this money train. Keep your eyes on the prize, finish those missions, rack up those points and badges, and watch that little cow icon charge from 0 to 100, bringing in that sweet bonus money. And that's a wrap, my awesome squad. If you're as stoked about making money as I am, smash that like button. And hey, if you want more incredible money-making tips and tricks, hot off the press, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's break records, shatter expectations, and make some serious changes. Together, we're on a mission to dominate the money game and change lives. Stay tuned for the next mind-blowing adventure.